everybody, welcome to Eating Can Be Fun, Be More Foodie here. I am out at the Beer Bacon Music Festival. As you can see around me, you've got all this going on. Trying many different beers, little samples, and I've had a ton, well, not a ton of bacon, but I've had 4 kinds of bacon: pecan, maple peppered, jalapeno, and applewood. Oh my gosh, the bacon, I went twice through. I don't think I'm not going through again. You know me loving my bacon. We also had a soft pretzel covered in peanut butter and bacon. You might go, ooh, peanut butter, it's fantastic. I've already done peanut butter and bacon before, like on toast. It's amazing. There's so many things out here, great local breweries, just having a fun day. Not at home in my kitchen, but I'm out here doing a segment. It's a little warm, I got a hat going on. And again, you can see everybody's having fun, and this goes on all the way down here. It's not just right here, there's stuff inside, there's vendors around, there's blues playing, lots of good stuff. Listen, Frederick, Maryland, 15-minute drive, something to do today. Go enjoy your weekend. I'll sip the beer for you. Till the next time we get together on Eating Can Be Fun, Be More Foodie here. Cheers.